is Nur Ana Shahada. I am from class 5K. So today I would like to explain about my opinion on changes price of real estate property, definition of price, effect the changes price to the developer and estate agent, and why price of real estate property changes. So price is a term used for the amount asked, offered or paid for an asset, liability or service. Sale price is a historical fact, whether it is a publicity disclosed or kept confidential because of the financial capabilities, motivation or special interest of a given buyer and seller. The price paid for goods or services may or may not have any relation to the value which might be ascribed to the goods or services by others. Price is, however, generally an indication of a relative value placed upon the asset, liabilities, or services by the particular buyer or seller under particular circumstances. So, why price is changes? Since 2015, slowing down economies causes a weaker demand in the housing market. However, it became worse when the pandemic COVID-19 occurred over the world, include Malaysia. Pandemic COVID-19 had really impacted property prices in Malaysia. By now, we are probably well versed with what the COVID-19 is all about and how global economies have been suffering from prolonged lockdowns because of the virus. Due to this pandemic also, the economic activities was interrupted and majority of employees have been fired because most of the company cannot afford to pay their wages and worried if they cannot survive until this pandemic ends. Because of this current issue, people can afford to buy property, and most of the investors lack of interest to keep investing in real estate field in Malaysia. So due to this pandemic, it had really impacted the changes price of real estate property in Malaysia and all over the world. The Malaysian government announced the Economic Recovery Plan (ERP) or Penjana on 5 June 2020 in effort to keep the economy afloat and provide assistance to individuals and businesses in critical need. Among some of the incentives offered were certain measures designed specifically to boost the property market. Next is changes price that have effect to developer and estate agent. Changes price of real estate really affected the developer and estate agent in Malaysia. Government has increased the tax to avoid any oversupply of property. Kuala Lumpur has seen the sharpest drop overall, which could possibly be due to a couple of notable factors. One is that the Kuala Lumpur property market is a focal point for foreign interest, but this has recently decreased due to international travel restrictions and poor global economic sentiments. Luxury properties targeted at international buyers and investors in Kuala Lumpur will likely take a big hit unless prices are readjusted to suit local buyers, said Sheldon Fernandez, country manager of Property Guru Malaysia. So, my opinion about the changes price of real estate property in Malaysia is, I think that government of Malaysia had bring in some efficient incentive to help the developer and estate agent out there. One of the incentive is the home ownership campaign, which was first introduced in 2019. It was intended to facilitate new home ownership among Malaysian citizens. I think this incentive was really helpful as income of citizens has decreased due to slow economic activities. These incentives have exempt many taxes such as stamp duty for sale and purchase that signed between 1st June 2020 until 31st May 2021. Other than that, 70% margin of financing limit that was applicable for third residential property valued at RM600,000 and above will be uplifted. However, the ability to obtain loans is subject to internal risk management and assessment of the respective financial institution. Furthermore, the real property gains tax RPGT also being exempt from 1st June 2020 to 31st December 2021. The gains arising from disposing residential property is now exempted for all Malaysian citizens. It is unclear if Malaysian PRs are included, but foreigners and companies appear to be excluded. The RPGT exemption is limited to the disposal of 3 units of residential property per individual during the prescribed period. I think that this incentive really help and give opportunity for the buyer to purchase property and for seller to selling their property. Even during this pandemic COVID-19, the government was really understanding their citizen and help the real estate property field to being uplifted. Thank you.